Your dealer just handed you a $30,000 boat, shook your hand, and wished you luck. What they didn't tell you could cost you $15,000 in repairs over the next 5 years. I'm not talking about the stuff buried in your owner's manual. I'm talking about the real insider knowledge. The stuff that commercial fishing captains, marina mechanics, and factory reps keep to themselves. Because, honestly, your ignorance is good for business. Today that ends. Here are 10 outboard engine secrets the marine industry doesn't want you figuring out on your own. Secret number 1. Your new engine break-in period actually matters. What they don't mention is that the first 10 hours on a new outboard are the most critical of its entire life. Running at wide open throttle during break-in glazes the cylinder walls, preventing rings from properly seating. The result? Permanent oil burning and reduced compression forever. Vary your RPMs constantly during those first 10 hours. Never hold a steady throttle for more than a few minutes. Your engine will breathe easier for the next 5,000 hours because of it. Secret number 2. Ethanol is silently destroying your fuel system right now. The fuel pump at your marina doesn't come with a warning label, but it should. Most gasoline today contains up to 10% ethanol, and ethanol has one very dangerous property that nobody talks about at the dock. It aggressively absorbs moisture from the air. Left sitting in your tank for just 30 days, that ethanol-water mixture reaches a saturation point and phase separates, meaning it drops to the bottom of your tank as a distinct layer, completely separated from your gasoline. Your fuel pickup sits at the bottom of that tank. When your engine draws that contaminated mixture, injectors clog, carburetors pit and corrode, and rubber fuel lines crack from the inside. The fix is simple and costs pennies. Add a marine-specific ethanol treatment at every single fill-up. Not just when you're laying the boat up for winter, every time you pump fuel. Secret number 3. Your water pump impeller is a time bomb with no warning light. This is the one that catches people the hardest. Impellers don't degrade gradually. They don't throw a code or trigger an alarm. The rubber vanes crack or collapse suddenly, cooling water stops flowing, and your engine temperature skyrockets within minutes. The first symptom of a failed impeller is often a seized power head. Replacing an impeller takes an hour and costs about $60 in parts. Rebuilding a power head that overheated because of a failed impeller costs $8,000. Replace your impeller every 2 years on a standard schedule, or every single season if you run in sandy or shallow water because abrasive particles chew through rubber fast. This is one of those habits that feels unnecessary right up until the day it saves your engine. Secret number 4. The gear oil in your lower unit is telling you everything. When you drain your lower unit oil, most people just dump it and refill. Big mistake. That oil is a diagnostic report. Healthy gear oil should be amber and translucent. Milky white means water has entered through a failing seal. You have days before catastrophic gear failure. Metallic flakes or silver shimmer means bearing or gear damage is already happening. Take 30 seconds to look at what comes out. It will save you a $4,000 lower unit rebuild. Secret number 5. A damaged propeller is wrecking parts you can't see: a small ding on a blade, a tiny chunk missing, some fishing line tight against the shaft. None of it looks catastrophic, but at 5,500 revolutions per minute, even minor propeller damage generates vibration that travels through your entire drivetrain with every revolution. Over hundreds of hours, that vibration loosens fasteners, wears shaft seals, accelerates bearing wear, and causes gear damage in the lower unit. The resulting repair bills look completely unrelated to the original prop damage. And that's exactly why dealers and mechanics rarely connect the dots for you. Inspect your prop before every single outing. If you hit something, pull the boat and check immediately. Keep a spare propeller on board. It is one of the cheapest, most high-return habits in all of boating. Secret number 6. Fogging oil isn't optional, it's cylinder armor. Ask most boat owners what fogging oil does and you'll get a blank stare. Here's the reality. When your engine sits for months, bare metal cylinder walls corrode. That corrosion acts like sandpaper on your rings the moment you fire it up in spring. Fogging oil coats those walls with a protective film that survives the entire off-season. Spray it in through the spark plug holes, turn the engine over by hand to distribute it, and reinstall the plugs. 10 minutes of work that adds years to your engine's life. Subscribe and join the boat owners who refuse to get taken advantage of. Secret number 7. Dealerships profit from your wrong propeller. Boats are frequently sold with propellers selected to make the engine feel strong and responsive during a showroom test ride. A light boat, no gear, no passengers, calm water. That same propeller often cannot keep your engine in its correct wide-open throttle, RPM range under real-world conditions. Full fuel, passengers, coolers, and gear. Running below the manufacturer's WOT range lugs the engine, generating excessive heat and carbon buildup. Running above it over-revs bearings into accelerated wear. Neither scenario is visible on the dealership dock. Get on the water under realistic load conditions with a tachometer. If you're not hitting the specified RPM range, you need a different propeller, and that simple change can add thousands of hours to your engine's life. Secret number 8. Corrosion never clocks out. Salt water doesn't stop being corrosive when you stop running. Every hour your outboard sits on a saltwater dock, moisture is attacking electrical connections, throttle cables, steering components, and hardware under your cowling. A monthly spray down with a marine corrosion inhibitor like Corrosion X creates a barrier that stops this invisible damage cold. Pull the cowling, spray everything. It costs $20 a month and prevents thousands of dollars in corrosion damage that mechanics often describe vaguely as age-related wear. Secret number 9. Your outboard needs oil changes far more often than your car. Your car's engine putters around at 1,500 to 2,500 revolutions per minute for most of its life. Your outboard routinely runs at 4,500 to 5,500 revolutions per minute for hours at a stretch. That sustained high RPM operation breaks down engine oil dramatically faster than any automotive application. Despite this, plenty of boat owners are changing oil once a season regardless of hours run, or skipping changes entirely because the engine seems fine. Change your oil and filter every 100 hours or annually, whichever comes first, using only manufacturer-specified marine oil. Engines with disciplined oil change records regularly reach 8,000 to 10,000 hours. Engines with neglected oil changes frequently don't survive to 3,000. The $40 oil change is the cheapest insurance policy in marine maintenance. Secret number 10. One dry start can destroy your water pump in under a minute. This one shocks people. Running your outboard for even 30 seconds without water flowing through it, whether you're on the driveway, testing a connection, or just bumping the starter, destroys your water pump impeller instantly. The impeller needs water not just to pump, but to lubricate itself. Without it, the rubber vanes overheat and disintegrate in seconds. Always use flush muffs with adequate water pressure or run in the water. No exceptions, no just for a second. One dry start is all it takes. These aren't opinions. They're the habits separating 1,500-hour motors from 10,000-hour legends. None of this is complicated. None of it is expensive. It's just information the industry has no incentive to hand you for free. Now you have it. If this saved you money, subscribe. There's a lot more where that came from.